3 years ago, Rachael Slack and her son Auden were stabbed to death in their own home. They were killed by Auden's father, Andrew Cairns, who then killed himself. Cairns had threatened to kill her 6 days before, and police arrested him, but they let him out on bail. Today, a coroner's court found that they were unlawfully killed and that police failures contributed to their deaths.
The space that has been left in our lives by the tragic loss of Rachael and Auden will never be filled and never should be.
I can't tell you how let down I feel. As regards, just things need to change. Policies and structures need to be tightened up.
In the months leading up to the murders at this cottage outside Derby, Rachael had expressed concerns about her ex-partner's mental health. His sister tried to contact his psychologist, but none of her 6 phone calls was returned. Rachael was pregnant when she died. It was shortly after she told Andrew Cairns about her new relationship that he threatened her. On the morning of the killings, Andrew Cairns came to see his GP here in Ripley. Now, witnesses said he seemed agitated. He paced around the waiting room in circles, holding a picture of his son. The doctor said that he calmed him down and later thought the appointment had gone well. The doctor couldn't have known, of course, what would happen later that day, because he didn't know Andrew Cairns had already been arrested for making death threats. The coroner noted that officers didn't share their information with mental health services and that they didn't do enough to warn Rachael just how dangerous Andrew Cairns might be. Outside court, police defended their procedures.
As a result of the 2 reviews which have taken place and subsequent advancements in national guidelines, we have already developed and improved our domestic violence policies and procedures. However, we will now review the evidence heard at the inquest and the jury's findings to see if any further changes are necessary to ensure that the service we provide to the public of Derbyshire is as good as it can be.
This was a tragedy of missed opportunities. The warning signs were there, but no one acted on them in time.